Hey there. If you've ever wondered why some people use the law of attraction but still don't get the results they want, you're definitely not alone. I've asked myself that question too. Maybe we're unknowingly making some mistakes along the way. Today, I want to talk openly and honestly about the hidden misconceptions around the law of attraction and what you really need to know to make it work for you. If you've been feeling confused or stuck, this video is just for you. Let's get started. Let's start by clearing up some of the most common misunderstandings about the law of attraction. The things that often keep people stuck. Mistake number 1. Just thinking positively is enough. Many believe that simply thinking positive thoughts will magically bring everything they want. While positive thinking is definitely a step in the right direction, it's not the whole picture. Imagine you want to get fit. Just thinking "I'm healthy" without actually moving or changing habits won't get you far. The law of attraction works best when your mindset, feelings, and actions align. Mistake number 2. Expecting instant results or giving up too soon. One of the biggest challenges is patience. The universe doesn't always deliver overnight, and sometimes your desires need time to unfold. It's like planting a seed. You water it, give it sunlight, but it doesn't become a tree instantly. Staying consistent and trusting the process is key. Mistake number 3. Having unrealistic expectations or unclear intentions. If your goal is too vague or unrealistic, your energy gets scattered. Think about trying to find a book in a library without knowing its title or author. It becomes frustrating and confusing. Being clear and honest with what you truly want helps your mind and universe respond more effectively. Mistake number 4. Feeling unworthy or having a negative self-image. This is a hidden block many don't realize. If deep down you believe you don't deserve good things, it's like sending mixed signals. The law of attraction reflects back what you truly believe about yourself. Building self-worth is essential to attracting what you desire. Understanding these mistakes is the first step to shifting how you work with the law of attraction. And the good news? Once you know them, you can start making real changes. Now, you might be wondering, if these mistakes are so common, why don't more people talk about them openly? The truth is, the law of attraction is often simplified to catchy phrases and quick tips. But the deeper work is much more personal and sometimes uncomfortable. It asks us to look honestly at our beliefs, emotions, and patterns that don't serve us. This deeper awareness is where real transformation begins. When you commit to understanding yourself better, not just what you want to manifest, but what's truly beneath those desires, you unlock the door to lasting change. It's like cleaning a window that's been foggy for years. Once clear, the light shines through effortlessly. Remember, manifesting isn't about forcing or controlling outcomes. It's about aligning your inner world with your outer reality. This alignment takes time, patience, and kindness toward yourself. So be gentle with your journey and celebrate every small shift you notice. These little victories build the foundation for the bigger dreams you're ready to welcome. Now that we've covered the common mistakes, let's shift to the truths. The real, powerful ways the law of attraction works when understood deeply. First and foremost, Your emotions are the true language of the universe. Think of them as the vibration you send out. When you feel joy, gratitude, or excitement, you're tuning into a higher frequency that naturally attracts positive experiences. It's not about forcing happiness, but genuinely aligning with what feels good inside. Your belief system plays a massive role in this process. What you deeply believe about yourself and your life shapes what you magnetize. If you hold limiting beliefs, no matter how many affirmations you say, they act like walls blocking your desires. So, it's essential to gently challenge and replace those beliefs with ones that serve your highest good. This inner work is the foundation for lasting change. Next, consistency and commitment are game changers. The law of attraction isn't a magic trick that works once and then disappears. It's a lifestyle, a mindset you cultivate daily. Small, steady steps, like shifting your thoughts, practicing gratitude, or visualizing clearly, build momentum. It's like tuning an instrument. The more consistently you play, the clearer and richer the music becomes. Finally, I want to invite you to think of the law of attraction not as trying to control everything, but as a beautiful collaboration with the universe. You set your intentions, align your energy, and then open yourself to receive in ways you might not expect. Sometimes the universe surprises us with even better opportunities than we imagined. So, trust the process, believe in your worthiness, and keep showing up for yourself every day. When you do, you'll start seeing subtle shifts that grow into incredible transformations. Your desires are already on their way to you. Sometimes it just takes a little more faith and patience to welcome them in. To wrap up, remember this: it's time to let go of the common mistakes holding you back and start embracing the truths that really make the law of attraction work. Stop relying on just positive thinking or impatience. Instead, build a strong belief in yourself, stay consistent, and trust the universe's timing. I'd love to hear from you. What mistakes did you realize you've been making? Or what truths have helped you the most on your journey? Share your experiences in the comments below so we can all learn and grow together. For those curious about how to instantly boost your connection with that special person, I've got a video that dives deep into exactly that. Take a look in the description. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more powerful content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.